Okay, now we're filming.
What's he filming?
Hi, a video. Oh,
After
I need
lunch.
some pictures.
Hello, YouTube. This is Jeff from Jeff's Journey again. This should be number 9, if I'm not mistaken. Today's date is September 12th, 2014. This should be my 35th, week 35 post-surgery. And my highest weight ever recorded was 427. My first consultation, with a surgeon, I was 404. My surgery date weight was 388. And today, or yesterday, after 35 weeks, I'm at 248. So that's like 140 pounds since surgery and 179 since my highest weight. I wouldn't really call what's happening right now so much a stall as it is a stumble. I'm not really misbehaving, but I'm not doing the things that I should be doing as well. So, maybe a couple more snacks than I should be having, but I'm not going hog wild or anything. Maybe a couple too many adult beverages on occasion, which I guess is going to happen. What are you going to do? Couple, not shout outs, but a couple mentions. Lacey, RNY, your video was perfectly timed, or it was exactly what I needed to hear at that moment. And it gave me some really good info, and I thank you for making it. I'm sure it took a tremendous amount of courage for you to make it, and I thank you. And also, right around the same time, or shortly after that, the Size Queen had theirs, and there was some I don't know if it was just what I needed to hear or it's what I needed to hear right along, that I just heard it right at the right time, and it really spoke to me. So, girls, thank you so much. That was pertinent information. Some culture shock, just still running into people that I haven't seen in some time and having them look at me bewildered, really. It's not tiresome. I shouldn't say that. It's not as much fun as it used to be. It seems like I'm past all that, but I have to realize that in my own head that I know a lot of people, and I have a lot of is the word ancillary friends. Made a lot of contacts over the course of the decades I've been alive, and a lot of people are used to seeing me a certain way, and when they don't, I can certainly see it in their eyes. As a matter of fact, most people, it's like they're meeting me for the first time, and they feel a little funny about it because while they know who I am, they don't recognize me the way they're used to seeing me. So I like it and I don't. I'm getting tired of it. But I suppose over time that'll straighten itself out because they're going to have to get used to seeing me this way. Like with normies, and I'll talk to people and they'll ask me, and I almost to the point where I just want to hand out a flyer and I'm joking, obviously, but I just get tired of repeating the same thing over and over, knowing full well that they're not absorbing or not understanding what I'm telling them. So I'm just really cutting to the quick and just telling them that I'm doing it by eating less and exercising more, which is not untrue. Some people just, I guess, don't need all that info. And when you give them all that info, you can see their eyes gloss over because it's just too much. And they'll never understand the point that I'm trying to get across. And I'm sure almost all of you have already gone through the same process. Okay, I'm reading my notes off a piece of paper. No, not that. I wrote that a few days ago. I'm thinking differently about that now. Some NSVs. I stopped. In my area. There's a brand new Cabela's store, and I stopped in there just to check it out. And I love that outdoors apparel and camping stuff. I do a lot of camping, but I'm in the clothing area and trying on the stuff that should fit, and it does. I went from a 5X 8 months ago to wearing a 2X recently, and just for the hell of it, I was trying on some. I tried on a couple XLs, and while they weren't perfectly fitting, they were somewhat comfortable, and maybe a month away from me wearing them exclusively. But for now, I'm still doing the 2X thing comfortable, although I'm at the small size for 2X at this time, which is astonishing, really, to think that I'm that close to an XL. After it'll be 8.5, maybe 9 months before I can probably safely wear an XL, and that is tremendous. Planning on a couple big vacations coming up, possibly even a cruise somehow mixed in there. And a cruise is always something that I never wanted to do because I was a big guy and small doors, small cabins, and I don't know if it was a lot of walking too, which doesn't frighten me anymore at all. I enjoy it. But a year ago, I couldn't say the same thing. I was petrified of even thinking about going on a cruise. So I know we're planning. I'm actually planning on a trip to Florida in November, right around Thanksgiving. I hope to see maybe a couple WLS friends down in Central Florida area. And again, I think I'm going to try to make it to the WLSFA conference and subsequent cruise following that. But we have a trip planned to Mexico, like the week following the WLSFA situation, and that's going to be difficult to try to swing both of those. Although my heart would be in the WLSFA situation, I've already made some promises to some friends and people who I've met on other vacations, and so I got to see how that goes. But fingers crossed, maybe I come across some money and I can do both. But right now, it looks like the WLSFA event might be in jeopardy. We'll see. I think that's about it as far as my my notes go here. Let's make sure. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to read this one part. I've gotten a couple reactions from people who seem to think I've gotten a little bit arrogant, and I just think that they're used to seeing me a certain way and not used to seeing me maybe a little more confident. I would never categorize myself as arrogant because, for one thing, I have nothing to be arrogant about. Improved self-confidence, yes, definitely, and I was the way I was for many years, very much the people pleaser, and I just wanted to get along with people. And I'm at a point now where I don't give a shit. I carry myself the same way. I treat people the same way as I always have. I just care less about people who may misunderstand me because, even when I did care more about them, it didn't change anything. So the fact that I'm getting past, the caring, whether they understand me or not, it isn't on me so much as it is on them. So I'm feeling strong in that regard. I don't have any negative feelings about anyone thinking I'm arrogant, because I don't see myself that way. I just think that if people perceive me the way they've always known me, and for me to be something other than that, maybe kind of rubs people the wrong way. And to that I say, fuck them. Pardon my language to all you, churchgoers. Again, my name is Jeff. This is Jeff's Journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see and speak with you all again soon. Bye-bye.